Hi, how are you doing? Welcome to today's lesson, and what we're looking at today is the volume of pyramids. Alright, so the volume of pyramids. Okay, now the volume of pyramids, if you've seen the volume of prisms, okay, prisms is when it's the same shape the whole way through. If you had to take a cross section of a prism, you'd always get the same shape, okay? Whereas a prism is where a pyramid, prism, same shape, pyramid, same, different shape at the bottom, and then it comes to an apex at the top. So a pyramid, you've seen them before. I don't know how you would ever possibly be able to go through life without seeing a pyramid. There's a square-based pyramid, and it comes up to an apex. So from this apex, let's try and make these straight. Can't see that one behind there. From this apex, it comes up from the base. All right, you with me? Now, it doesn't matter if you've got a square-based pyramid, okay, or if you've got a circular base pyramid, okay? So there's an apex up there and it comes down like this, alright? It doesn't matter if it's a pyramid or a cone, alright? It's just a circular based pyramid. The idea for the volume is exactly the same, and the idea for the volume, and this is what I think is important, rather than learn the idea then you can apply it to different situations, the volume equals 1/3 the area of the base times by the height. Doesn't matter what your base is. Volume is 1/3 area of the base times the height, and that'll give you the volume for the pyramid. Okay, so in the example that I've got underneath there, I'm going to do this freehand, okay, but I've drawn it nicely underneath there using the computer. So I've got a square-based pyramid. Now I've drawn it not flat on, but almost isometric here. So it goes up to the top like that, it comes down like this, okay. There is the vertical line there, and then this completes itself to the edge there. Oh, it's hard to draw this freehand. Okay, so a square-based pyramid. Square because I've shown that all these sides are equal, alright? And we say that this length is 5 centimeters, and the total height, internal height of the pyramid, okay, so the internal height of the pyramid from the apex to the base there at the bottom, alright, directly down is 18 centimeters. So that's what you're looking at. Just like when you're looking at the area of a triangle, you need the base times the perpendicular height from the base. So that's what we're also looking at here, the perpendicular height of the apex of the pyramid. Okay? So if my pyramid is flat and it comes to the apex up here, it's this height. It's this height from the middle to the top. That's my perpendicular height. Okay? So it's easy now. What is my base? My base is a square. Oh, okay. So my volume equals 1/3 area of base times by height. Well, it's 1/3. What is my base? My base is a square, and a square is just side times side. 5 times 5, that's a 5, not an S. 5 times 5, sorry. Times by my height. Well, my height in this case is 18 centimeters, times by 18 centimeters. Okay, right. So 5 times 5 is 25, okay. 1/3 of 18 is 6. 6 times 25 is 150. 150 what? Centimeters, so that's squared. Centimeters, that's centimeters cubed. Centimeters cubed. Okay. You with me? Piece of cake. So it doesn't matter if I've got that. If I had a circular, let's just quickly look at it. If I had a circular prism, alright, with a radius of, let's say, 7 centimeters and a perpendicular height of 10 centimeters, what would be my volume? My volume equals 1/3 of 7 times, 1/3 circular pi r squared times by the height. Okay? Which is 1/3 of pi times 7 squared times by 10. Done. Press equals in your calculator and work it out. Simple as that. Okay. I don't care what the shape of your base is. 1/3 area of base times height. Finished. Okay. That's volume of pyramids. As easy as that. Learn the concept. Then you don't have to learn a different formula for every different shape. You with me? Okay. That's what I'm always on about with volume and surface area. Learn the concept so you don't have to learn a different formula every single time. Circular things, with the exception of a sphere, are just fancy options of either pyramid or prism. The cylinder is a circular prism. A cone is a circular pyramid. Okay, there's more on the blog, and remember, I'm here for you.